physical things that we do while we were going on a camping trip. So the first thing I want you guys to do is, I don't know why we're starting with the scariest one, but I want you to run or jog in place as if a big scary bear is chasing you. Let's go! Better look over your shoulders so you're getting away. Awesome. Alright, now that we've got away from that bear, we're hungry. But we're far away from the campsite, so we need to eat. Oh look, there's some berries. Let's reach up as if we're picking some berries. Nice and high. Berries all over the bush. There's some down low. We may have to squat down and grab some. We're going to hammer, we're back at the campsite, we're going to hammer in some tent stakes. So we're going to do toe touches from one toe to the other with the other hand, just like we're hammering in the tent stakes. Let's go. Good. All right, now it's time to relax that we got the tent up. We're gonna sit by the fire, campfire, so we're gonna have to roast some marshmallows. So let's pretend we're sitting by doing the squat. So squat, make sure that fire's going, put a new log on it. Okay, so now, it's the next morning when we're gonna wake up and we're happen to be camping by a great big lake. So we're gonna go for a morning swim. Let's jump in. Start to swim. Awesome. Uh-oh, guess what? There's this great big fish chasing you. Let's go! Girls, now we're gonna get out of the water. And guess what? Our dog came swimming with us. Our dog is wet. What do dogs do when they get wet? Let's imitate a wet dog and shake our body. Get the water off. As you were swimming up to the dock to get out of the lake, you noticed a nice kayak on the dock. So you decide you're going to go kayaking. Let's twist our torso like we're operating a kayak. Paddling a kayak. Let's go. Now, one last thing. Let's get back by our campfire. Let's get in our squat. Let's roast our marshmallows. Okay, so let's get in our squat. Pretend we're roasting our marshmallows. But then guess what? Then you look at your marshmallow and it's roasted. So we jump up and down a bunch of times. Let's go! Celebrate the perfect marshmallow!